Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle here today with a wheel that we believe is from a 1978 KZ1000 Police Bike. That'd be a KZ1000 Police 1978. The reason we believe it's from that year is because this does take two speedometer drives. There's a left and right speedometer drive, and that is the only year that did that. So this wheel, as you can see, it spins true on the wheel balancer. It does have a little bit of corrosion, nothing serious. It's not heavily corroded away or anything like that. I mean, this thing is, it should clean up pretty nice. Can be used as is if you just have a everyday rider type bike, but I think it's a good wheel for, a restoration or a rider. Thank you for watching.